Police not giving way. Straight through the red light. Asshole. After all this 7 years in the making, they seem to be taking the learner.
Bloody hell.
Have England done this before?
I don't know.
I know it pops up in the news a lot and it gets threatened. Say it again, Rob. Right?
Probably would have had to be something like the Pistols, booming out a few expletives.
That would have been quite fun. Or more yodeling on yellow.
Bloody hell.
Yeah.
Who would be at fault for that one then? Are you going to... Yeah. Look at this twat. On the phone. Sorry, there's a twat just pulled out. Idiot on the bloody... Idiot on the motorway, and now you've been an idiot here.
Chatting and yeah, straight through the lights.
People don't know what to do.
Due to start later in 2018, although it's not clear how it will be shared out. 45 million people play Fortnite, which sees up to 100 people
More
fight
people
to
again,
the last
though.
man standing.
I have no idea how it works.
Scientists have studied in detail a city.
Everybody coming together would be a nice thing. And here are some people.
Original movie, when that was being made, they came into what was at GMTV and looked at tapes of me on the sofa, and then Randy said we're going to have bad chats before about it, and then I went to visit on set of the most.
Error.
Brilliant band, brilliant song, The Cure, In Between Days, Jeremy Vine here. Very good afternoon to you. It is Radio 2, of course we will talk later.
Chevrons. Hello. I don't need a green light. Oh, there's been a crash.
Oh dear.
Someone tried to turn right. Or is his wheel just fallen off? No, I heard Britain's Got Talent starts next week. You went straight for that red light.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to find. It's really difficult though.
Oh, you stupid
I'm trying to
idiot!
find some music to do an Emily Blunt song because Emily Blunt might be in the country.
My God, it was a bloody chicken or something.
Bad dreams. I don't trust nobody and nobody trusts me. Trust starting to bad dreams. I don't trust nobody and nobody trusts me. Oh baby, I'm just starting to bad.
Nice.
Still to enjoy her, so fear not. Will she be taking her cohort with her? What? Steve, there's not more of them, is there? Steve and Rex. You know the one she always mentions, but we never hear
Nice.
this person. You know, Maureen.
How did I help you out?
very difficult time.
The judge said the attack was a cold-blooded public execution carried out for revenge. Ord told the police Jodie had made things difficult in his relationship with her mum. He admitted putting a tracking device on her car and...
Indicators or...
Tuesday's one of those days, it's just getting it
Help yourself.
Absolutely, it's the inside lane.
Okay, hurry up, because I don't want to stop. No. I'm stuck now. I have to try it in second gear now.
No, Pippa, tell him.
And I wish you would hurt me harder than I hurt you. And I wish you would have.
If everybody's ready, over to Pippa and let's begin.
Right, that's right.
It's time, Rob. Pippa, over to you with the questions for today's quiz.
You're in the wrong lane. God. Any lane will do. Yeah.
And from your own show.
Oh,
Yes, that's right. Britain's Brightest Family, which I managed to tweet last night was going to be on at 8 o'clock. Of course, it wasn't.
Sorry?
It was the Brits. No, I
And from your own show. Yes, that's right. Britain's Brightest Family, which I managed to tweet last night was going to be on at 8 o'clock. Of course, it wasn't. It was the Brits. No, I don't.